remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now. Who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like you. My heroes had the heart to live the lives I wanna live. All I remember is thinking I wanna be like you.
Alright, engineer bro, on 3, reach up and grab it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Engineer bro, you got a lighter? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Engineer bro, Look, 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 look at me. Look at me. Did you not? Right by your knee, your right knee.
I thought you said you can't shoot through stuff. Okay, I didn't know that then.
Woo! Hey ref, that's a lit smoke, brah. Yeah! Woo! Attaboy. Let's see my lighter.
And I can die when I'm done.